Geographically, Kutch is the largest district of Gujarat state. Frequent drought due to very less and erratic rainfall is very common in this area. Krishi Vigyan Kendra Mundra Kutch is working in this area since the year 1992. Nikra project of ICAR was inaugurated during 2011-12 in Bhalot village of Anjar Taluka. Lafra and Bagda village of Mundra Taluka was adopted in 2017-18. Major part of the Nikra villages is having the rain-fed agriculture. After primary survey of the farmers, major climatic resident agriculture practices were implemented under different four modules: natural resource management, crop production, livestock production management, and institutional intervention. Under natural resource management for rainwater harvesting, existing 28 check dams were repaired, desilted, and 2 new check dams were prepared. Deepening of community ponds were made by desilting of ponds. This work was done on people participation mode. For recharging of open wells, well recharging structures were prepared. Rainwater harvesting work gave an excellent result during good rainfall year. All check dams were fully filled up and overflowed. During Kharif 2019, 890 mm rainfall was received. More than 30 lakh cubic meter water was stored and recharged through different 28 check dams. Community and private ponds were also filled up with the rainwater and played significant role with collection of more than 20 lakh cubic meter rainwater. Thus, collection of the rainwater and its underground recharging was made in almost 1100 hectare revenue area of the villages. Underground water level of open wells have been raised by 5 meter to 15 meter. Some open wells were overflowing. For efficient use of irrigation water, drip irrigation system was promoted in the villages. Earlier, there was not a single set of drip irrigation system in Bhalot village. Today, as a result of Nikra project effort, 100% farmers adopted drip irrigation system. Pre-monsoon sowing of BT cotton became possible with drip irrigation system. Area of pomegranate also increased significantly by drip irrigation system. Area under irrigation increased from 230 hectare to 480 hectare. Under crop production module, during low rainfall year, short duration variety GTHH 49 of BT cotton was performed well in respect of yield and no incidence of pink bollworm. This variety gave up to 28 quintal per hectare yield during drought year also. Drought tolerant variety GCH2 of castor was also introduced in Nikra village. Intercropping of green gram in castor is also practiced by the farmers. Same way, stress tolerant varieties GT5 of sesamum, GM4 of green gram found effective under rain-fed farming. Frequent interculturing practices are followed by the farmers for soil conservation during long dry spell. During Rabi season, low water required crop cumin found highly remunerative. GC4 variety of cumin found highly resistant to wilt and it gave yield up to 18 quintal per hectare. Doubling of the farmer income became possible by introduction of horticulture crop pomegranate. Earlier there was not a single fruit plant in the village, but today pomegranate crop has covered about 180 acre area. Skilled labor got the employment through this crop. Same way, date palm is also found as climate resilient horticulture crop. It is highly resistant to salinity. Livestock management is an important part for the sustainable agriculture. Pure Kakraj breed is promoted under Nikra project because it is suitable in this climatic condition. Under Nikra project for heat stress management, almost 90 pakka shed have been prepared by the farmer with the help of Nikra project. For balanced cattle feed, mineral mixture gave an excellent result on milk production and health management of cattle. For year-round green fodder availability, stress-resistant local variety Gundri of fodder sorghum and improved variety Anand 2 of lucerne was adopted 100% in Nikra villages. For health management of cattle, animal health and vaccination camp were organized every year. As a result, today, no incidence of the foot and mouth disease in Nikra villages is observed. Custom Hiring Center played an important role for timely agricultural operation. Farmers were benefited by implements like Castor mini thresher, multi-crop thresher, automatic seed cum fertilizer drill, and many other farm implements. Institutional interventions were done for the capacity building of the farmers by training, seminar, meetings, and exposure tour under NICRA project. Fodder Bank and Seed Bank is managed by the VCRMC of NICRA project. Krishi Vigyan Kendra Mundra Kutch 1 is appreciated by Best NICRA KVK Award by ICAR Krida Hyderabad and ICAR Atari Pune Zone 8 during the year 2019 for the best performance under NICRA project.